Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. So today we have loads to talk about. I'm going to start with a little bit of XRP and then I'm going to finish on XRP as well. XRP obviously 2.4% up on the day after having this heavy pullback into previous support, which I actually spoke about over there on X. What we can see is on this pullback, XRP backtested previous daily closes and held them as supports. This was a current or a previous resistance level that we came back into. Look, as you can see, I've drawn this box showing previous daily closes on the resistance, and now we're holding that as support with large volume showing a lot of buyers stepping in to basically thinking this is a good price to be able to enter and defend in this key support level. Very bullish if you ask me. So as I said, I'm going to get back into some more XRPTA towards the end, which is important. I want to show you guys. But what actually happened yesterday and what can we see? What are we identifying? Well, we're looking at Bitcoin here. We looked at Bitcoin using Velo, which shows us different metrics, including like premium on open interest. It shows us how much open interest there is, the volume that's traded and spot, meaning how many people are buying the asset itself rather than on leverage, and then the premium. The aggregated funding. What I basically identified yesterday was that open interest had gone up on the flush and funding had turned negative, meaning that probably more people had entered shorts during this pullback than had been flushed out of long positions. This is what I explained in this this thread. Well, I called it just a long post. So I thought that it was kind of a bit of a fake flush out, essentially. And obviously this isn't confirmed to have changed anything yet. But then we looked at trading different as well, which, as I said the other day, still shows a lot of liquidity above us. Can we move or will we move into this area soon? I've been saying imminently. I think there's probably a push up towards the 130k region incoming, but I have been concerned about this 88k region below us. We do often leave liquidity behind on these moves up, but it's not a guarantee. So that's where TA is not like perfect. Essentially, we are looking at the most probable outcomes, which I think inevitably we move up into the 130k region, but whether we flush to 88k first, I do not know. There's more liquidity above us, which makes me feel more likely that we do move up into that area, but let's just say it's a 60-40 chance that we move up. There's still 40% is still quite high that we could come down and flush that 88k first, but statistically isn't the most probable outcome. So I want to just say Happy New Year to my any Chinese followers. The Year of the Snake. I don't know too much about that, so if you know more about it than me, I would love to hear about it in the comments. But Happy New Year to everyone who celebrates. And then I want to talk about this. So today is XRP Community Day, and Phil Kwok from Easy A said, just got off a call with the Ripple team, prepping for the XRP Community Day tomorrow, and I can tell you the stuff we're sharing is pure gold. The world isn't ready for what's coming, so hyped. We've got Brad Garlinghouse speaking today. We've got Stuart Alderati, who is the legal counsel of Ripple, speaking with Brad Garlinghouse, leaving people to speculate maybe there's something finished with the lawsuit. We've got Joel Katz, aka David Schwartz, also speaking on a Spaces today. Just after yesterday, Ripple getting or confirming their MTL, so money transmitter licenses in both New York and Texas. So are we going to see a big announcement today? That's on a lot of people's radars. And finally, I said I would finish with some more XRPTA. We're looking here at the XRP dollar hourly chart. We're trying to reclaim the level that we capitulated from, but we haven't yet done it. However, on ETH, this is XRP ETH. This chart looks like it's ready to send it to me. I keep saying this. Yes, we've had a little tiny more of a flush out into this consolidation area, held that support, broke that structure, so we're moving back towards the upside. On XRP Bitcoin, we've also taken that level as well and are moving back towards the upside. On XRP dominance, we broke out of it, we back tested that level of support, and now we're looking to push on as well. If we take this to a more zoomed out perspective, these things look like they are ready to absolutely rip it, guys. We've got this last level of resistance here that I've been talking about for XRP dominance, and then we probably move up towards that 12% region. I think things could get very exciting very quickly if we break this 6% dominance. Similarly with XRP ETH, I've been saying I think we're in the third of a larger third on the more zoomed out time frame. I'm going to take us to the weekly just so we can see this a little bit better. I think we set new all-time highs against ETH this cycle. We probably flip ETH just on this third push here. And then XRP Bitcoin, very similar. And I've been showing this. The previous resistance finishes around here, and then we probably have a push up to this level. So what I'm saying is we probably, if we can break the next, if we gain a further 40% and close above 40% up against Bitcoin over the next few weeks, we'll probably then gain another 100-ish percent, 120%. And I like looking at this chart inverted. So to invert a chart, you just hold Alt and press I. And what you can see is 3 or 4 successive lower highs, a break of key structure, like testing the previous area of support, which is actually resistance because it's inverted, before potentially capitulating further. If we take all our drawings off just for a second, we can see that this area has been key support. So if we lose that, there's potential that we actually break our previous all-time highs versus Bitcoin this cycle. All this area here, after making successive lower highs, shows me that there's weakness in this chart if it like on the inverted scale, so strength realistically, and that we could really dump, meaning we could really pump against Bitcoin. So that is very exciting. It's like, imagine all that energy coiled up and potentially about to explode. Let's see what happens. I'm very excited right now, as you probably can tell. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend. If you want to trade any leverage trades, please use my affiliate link to MEXC. It will save you some money on fees. If you'd like to trade XRP memes, which I haven't talked about for a while, but I'm still in all the same positions that I was in and I talked about in my newsletter. I've actually added a little bit to some positions on that as well. Please use my affiliate link for that. As I said, I think there's a big risk to reward opportunity there. With that being said, please do share, as I said, if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below if you've got any questions. Thank you for watching. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say.